गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम भूपेश बंसल, आपका मेट्रो फिजिक्स के लिए और डायरेक्टर आनंद प्रकाश एजुकेशनल एकेडमी। जैसा कि आपको मालूम ही है कि आनंद प्रकाश एजुकेशनल एकेडमी पिछले कई सालों से फिजिकल कोचिंग के माध्यम से कई आईआईटीएंस, कई नीट्स को प्रोड्यूस कर चुकी है। आज वो लोग अपने लाइफ बहुत सक्सेसफुली लीड कर रहे हैं। हम लोग तो अपनी पीठ थपथपाते हैं इस बात को लेकर कि हमने उन बच्चों की ज़िंदगी बनाई, बट बच्चों इसमें उन बच्चों का उतना ही योगदान है, बल्कि उससे ज़्यादा योगदान है कि उन्होंने अपनी ज़िंदगी बनाने के लिए वो डेडिकेशन दिखाई, वो दृढ़ निष्ठा दिखाई कि आज वो उस मकाम पे हैं जहाँ उन्हें पहुँचना चाहिए था। आप भी वहीं पहुँच सकते हैं। What basically you have to do? You have to keep watching the videos, keep attending the online classes which we are already started almost 2 months back, and also there is a good news for you, the physical classes may be starting soon as informed by the district administration. You have to attend those physical classes. We will be conducting lot many tests, बहुत टेस्ट करेंगे, इतने टेस्ट होंगे उसमें कि आपका नीट का और जेई का जो पेपर है वो पूरे का पूरा उन क्वेश्चन पेपर्स में सिमट के रह जाएगा। बच्चों, अभी तक हम लोग क्लास 11 फिजिक्स में कर रहे थे यूनिट्स एंड मेजरमेंट। हमने एरर एनालिसिस किया है और आज हम लोग एरर एनालिसिस के ऊपर कुछ क्वेश्चंस करेंगे। We will be doing many more questions in our physical classes and online classes, but here because of time constraint we will be taking up only a few questions. So the first question is, two resistances of 150 ohms plus minus 2 ohms and 250 ohms plus minus 5 ohm are connected in series. Find equivalent resistance. हमने लास्ट ईयर पढ़ा था, अगर सीरीज में कनेक्ट होते हैं तो R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2. Now, अभी तक तो हम लोग सिर्फ 150 plus 250 लिख करके उसको 400 ohms करके आंसर दे देते थे, but no, now we know there is a R equivalent plus R equivalent delta R equivalent which is equal to R1 plus delta R1 plus R2 plus delta R2. Now I can write plus minus here because the error can be on either side. So let us see, R1 is given as 150 plus minus 2 ohms plus 250 plus minus 5 ohms. बच्चों, यहाँ पे बेसिकली बच्चे गलती करते हैं, प्लस 2 माइनस 5 करके उसको माइनस 3 ओम कर देंगे या माइनस, we have to take the maximum of the values, so that becomes 400 plus minus 7 ohms. That means the error can be maximum 7 ohms on the positive side. That means it can give me a maximum value of 407 ohm or minimum value of 393 ohms, or can give me a value somewhere in between. So the equivalent resistance is 400 ohms plus minus 7 ohms. Hope this question is clear to you. We can also say they are connected in parallel. Find the equivalent resistance. So in that case, suppose they are connected in parallel, we know the formula is R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. Now here, first there is a multiplication involved, there is addition involved, there is a division involved. So we cannot find out the absolute error, we have to find out either the relative error or the percentage error. I leave this question for you to be solved at your house as a homework. Next question we'll take, find percentage error in resistance where voltage is 100 minus plus minus 5 volt. What is given? V is 100 plus minus 5 volt and current is 10 plus minus 0.2 ampere. We all know that resistance is equal to V upon I. So as we have already seen during our calculations, R plus delta R is equal to V plus delta V upon I plus delta I, which can be simplified in the form of delta R upon R is equal to delta V upon V, all this is plus minus delta I upon I. Now the error is given as plus minus 5 volt, that means 5 and V is 100, that it makes it 0.05. So delta R upon R is 0.05, again plus minus. Again this is 0.2 divided by 10 or 0.02. So plus minus 0.02, that is plus minus 0.07 ohm is the relative error. So multiplied by 100, that is 7% is the percentage error. Now this does not have a unit. Neither the relative error has the unit nor the percentage error has a unit. Why? Because that is a relation. V divided by V does not have any unit. Similarly, I divided by I does not have any unit. What formula we are used? We are used the formula of multiplication and division. That is relative errors. It's a summation of relative errors. Hope this is clear to you. Similarly, the question can be, I can give you I can give you R, you have to find out the value of V, the error in V. Okay, now moving on to the third question. Again, the questions are very simple, only thing is we have to understand the concept of the question. अगर concept clear है उस question के पीछे का, तो कोई भी question बहुत आसान हो जाता है। सबसे पहले, जैसे मैंने आपसे पहले भी बात किया है, सबसे पहले आप लिखेंगे गिवन। आपको क्या दिया है क्वेश्चन में? इस क्वेश्चन में दिया है एरर इन मेजरमेंट ऑफ साइड ऑफ अ क्यूब, L is equal to, now percentage error is given, delta L upon L into 100 is equal to 2, or delta L upon L is 2 upon 100, that is 0.02. Now we all know volume is equal to L cube, that is V plus delta V is equal to L cube plus 3 delta L. Now if my relative error is 0.02, L is say 1 meter, then I can say is into 1, so this becomes L cube plus minus 3 times 0.02 or L cube plus minus 0.06. So this is the error in the volume. If I had to find out the percentage error, 0.06 divided multiplied by 100, so this is 6%. Hope this question is clear to you, students. You have enjoyed solving these questions with me. So till next time, keep safe, keep enjoying the life. Do not forget to like the videos, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.